Alright, just a quick little run through of my hornBLASTERS setup I have here. I purchased the, let's find it here, this guy right here, the rocker AH-S2, which includes bells number 3 and 4 from the Shocker XL, as seen here. I also purchased this tank right here, the Viair 2-gallon 6-port, has 6 1/4-inch air ports. I do not have a compressor. I'm just using this tank as a holding tank, and it actually lasts a while. I only filled it up to 60 psi the other day, and I got a good 8-10 half-second horn blasts out of it. Here's the tank right here. It's the Viair 6-port 2-gallon. Fits pretty nice behind the seat of a 2012 Jeep Liberty. Even room for a big sub box. And I got the hornBLASTERS air gauge. That's my fill hose because I don't have a compressor. I just have this tank as a holding tank. Safety valve. And have a drain cock underneath. One of the ports on that end is plugged up, and one of the ports is for this air line down here. That's the only hole I had to put in my car. Just had to drill a hole for the 1/2-inch air line, the main line that goes up front, and put a grommet in. Alright, that 1/2-inch air line goes through the vehicle behind the rear seat, pops out right there, kind of by this exhaust bracket, and then travels down. Let me focus here. Travels down along the frame. I have some wire loom clamps with self-tapping screws that I just screwed into the body, and I have it zip tied once in a while. It goes all the way down up front and then goes up through the passenger front wheel well behind the plastic, and there just happened to be a hole there, so I just shoved it up through. Alright, the 1/2-inch air line comes up through the passenger front wheel well, wraps around here, goes to the 12-volt electric air valve that comes with the kit, and that's what you hook up your switch to. And then it comes with this splitter right here with 2 air lines that come with the kit as well. I ran it along the firewall. You can take all this excess off. I didn't, because I didn't know where I wanted to mount the horns or if I want to change it in the future, so I just kept it. This isn't all airline. I did the big 3 upgrade to my alternators, so it's just one of those blue tubes. But the air lines go right here to these push to connect fittings that also come with the kit, and which leads to the horns. And as you can see, they barely fit, but because I have the hornBLASTERS PA system I also installed. But there they are, and let's hear them.
Shut 'em down, shut 'em down, shut 'em down.